Alright, welcome back. All my Felelenians. It is the
Felelenians. I don't know you about the thing before. You're the upcoming artist that being presenter.
The show has a host. You are like a guest. Because we are trying to tap from your coaching expertise, which we are still doubting if you have.
Yes, a guest can correct an upcoming presenter, not Felelenians.
Alright, Felelenians, welcome to the show. Felele right here, and of course, your baddest, sweetest, craziest comedy duos in Lasgiri and beyond. Coach Ogodo, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me once again. I'm always at your service.
It's okay, it's okay.
Don't
use too much of our time. If we are paying time to be in this, that's how you will be wasting our money.
How much do you have? I leave my heart in Banana Island. I cannot pay. I'll buy your studio. Go on.
Alright, we give you the news segment, and of course we take you over to the leg over segment where we dribble through current cogent issues in the world of sports.
Thank you.
Do you understand what I just said? Alright, we'll be right back. With the news, Kepa's move to Chelsea almost a done deal.
I want Kepa move Chelsea. You want launch be Dundee.
No, let me break it down for you. Do you know Kepa Arrizabalaga?
I know, man. Did you know the Alaga? That's Alaga Bile. That's Reminisce. It's his younger elder brother. I know him, and I've warned him that the way he's always doing as if he's a copper, and he don't even go to school. He's like illiterate. And I told him, this is what I be doing as if you're a copper.
If I ask you something on this show, let your sense tell you that it is related to sports.
I don't know that my sense is paining me.
You don't even have.
I don't have sense.
That's what I'm saying.
No problem.
Kepa Arrizabalaga. Who is he?
Alaga. I didn't know Alaga. In wedding you see Alaga Joko, Alaga Judo. So he is really Kepa Alaga. So it don't depend on the kind of Alaga he is doing. If it's Alaga Drew, Alaga Joko.
Who is Thibaut Courtois?
You like say, okay, is it the one that is Thibaut Courtois? That Courtois, I know him. He's just like I think he's into cutting of grass.
You never
that Courtois. The Courtois is the farmer. He cuts grass.
What is he cutting?
They are cutting grass.
Courtois?
Yeah, after he cut relationship. He cut wire. Anything that has to do with cut, that's what he is into. So
let me inform you, just like we need to inform the viewers.
Okay.
Kepa Arrizabalaga is the goalkeeper that Chelsea is about to sign. It's almost a done deal at the moment because they paid 80 million for his release.
You will have mentioned Chelsea inside the team. When you mention Alaga, which one is Alaga you are mentioning now?
I asked you, do you know Kepa Arrizabalaga? You should have said no, I don't know him. Simple.
It's the Alaga you used to hand the
I did not mention Alaga. Arrizabalaga.
Alaga, I didn't know Alaga you mentioned. When you are saying all this thing, I told you that always be specific. Always go straight to the point. If we have put Chelsea in the point,
where did I go to?
You are not going to the point. You are going offside. So when you are mentioning Alaga, which are Alaga of Chelsea, so I know that you are talking about a footballer. So Alaga,
okay, where is Thibaut Courtois going now that they are trying to sign Kepa Arrizabalaga?
I think he's going back to his village, and I think the information that I read yesterday that he's going back to Ondo State.
Courtois?
Yeah, he go back to Ondo State. I told people that see, know that going back to Ondo State that is a problem, but
someone that just finished from the World Cup, they carried bronze. A Belgian going to Ondo State to do what?
You know what I'm saying now? Courtois. Now Ondo people now then they others they do cutlass, they do all those things.
Alright, that's enough. We can take on the news segment. We'll be back with the leg over. Alright, welcome back. It's still Felele, and now we are about to go into the leg over segment. Yes. Are you ready?
Why? That's the problem. We have done one before. You're not
saying it's okay. Sorry. I need you to be in the mood.
In the mood of what?
In the mood of analyzing issues. Alright, the transfer window is open right now.
Yeah, it depends on who open it down. Because you know this day the heat is too much in this country. People need to open window down so that ventilation can come in.
I'm not talking about window for ventilation. The transfer window where players are bought and sold and loaned.
How would they buy player through the window? Something's not wrong with your head, though.
Okay, wait.
Okay, now if you open window, you now buy player from the window. If you are doing the player will not get injury.
Wait now.
Okay.
Is it not through this transfer window that Juventus signed Ronaldo?
They signed him from window. So he stay outside. Then outside now put hand on the window and now sign the biro.
Ronaldo is now in Juventus.
He's just in Juventus, just leave it like that.
He did not just go there, they have to sign him.
How would they sign him outside the window? Someone is outside the door like that and say, you're outside the door and not sign him from outside the door. You come inside now.
Wait,
you know, shelter.
Wait. You don't have sports sense. You don't have tactical sense of analyzing
See,
sports information.
Yeah, I don't like sports.
Now,
I don't like anything that has to do with trashes. I don't like it. So
let me go to where I'm going for God's
go
sake.
there. I will not give it fair. Just be fast.
Now, Ronaldo, they call him CR7.
See Gegen. See Gegen, my boy.
CR7.
The same thing.
What's Gegen?
That Gegen, just like botanical name. Is just
anyway, it's CR7. That means when he was in Man U, he wore the number 7 jersey. He went to Real Madrid, he wore the number 7 jersey. Now he's in Juventus and he has taken up the number 7 jersey. But the question is, who was wearing the number 7 jersey for Juventus before?
Oh, is this guy, what is it called? Finidi. It's Finidi.
Which Finidi?
Finidi Aguevon. Is a Belgium.
See,
Belgium
when you are in front of the camera, don't say you. I don't know it to tell me.
You see, the thing is that I caught you. You are thinking I'll make sure it's the real name you people know him too. I'm giving you the original name. His mother and father gave to him. Finidi Aguevon.
Okay, which country is he from?
Belgium.
Hey!
Just put down.
See, the number 7 jersey was with Juan Cuadrado.
Now I'm telling you, Cuadrado is what you know you
Chile.
Chile Coboni. Chile Coni. I'm telling you
now. The way I'm going to is that why will Ronaldo just go there and take over the jersey that belonged to someone else? Is it fair that Cuadrado will have to relinquish his number 7 jersey to Ronaldo?
Infringement.
What is the
infringement? Under the law. See, Ronaldo is meant to be dealt with, and it's not just only dealing with. You deal with him like dealing with a car.
There is seniority in every field of endeavor.
That is not seniority. That is downgrading. You are matching the boy on the floor. So because there you go, you do.
Are you telling us that Cuadrado should not respect a 5-time world best player?
that is an insult. You met somebody before. Somebody will go no. Now you meet somebody, you don't like that. That's me another. Okay, now you met me here. You invited me because you know I have influence. You know I'm a popular person.
I did not invite you. They just brought you that I should just interview you.
They just brought a worldwide coach. The coach of coaches. They brought him to you.
Where is your license?
It's in the car. It's in the car.
I'm not talking driver license. Your coaching license.
I still put it in the car. All my documents are in the car. Anything you want to.
You must have failed.
I can't drive a G-Wagon of 1 or something million and be putting documents in my office. You know, the motto itself is like you're at heaven. It's not like office. It's like home. You know, I have 4 drivers for that 1 car. So that's what I'm telling you. It's not something that, you know, when...
You are saying that Messi will come to Chelsea, for instance, and they will not take number 10 jersey and give it to him. Is that what you are saying now?
That's an insult.
Messi and Hazard, are they mates?
In Chelsea, if Messi will want to come to another club so that they can go and collect another person and number 10 from another person, he should come with his own jersey. Yes, that's an insult. So I will not have my jersey, my own number, my precious number. I will not give it to you because you are what?
You don't know seniority in ranking.
Even Pastor Ranking know that there is no senior in the music industry. If you have money, you have make it. So what is the meaning of that? Okay, now they brought what?
Okay, if you are talking money, does Cuadrado have what Ronaldo has?
If you didn't, okay, Cuadrado don't have what Ronaldo has, but want to collect his number 7. Is that
number 7? He has collected it.
That is what I'm saying. Let me tell you, give Caesar what belongs to Caesar.
Who is Caesar?
Caesar is the
Cuadrado.
Okay,
God. Why are you in this sports business? For God's sake.
That do I just hear. You know, I don't want to test your sense. If you can correct me, that's what I'm trying to do. So this Cuadrado of a thing, they cheat him. They cheat the boy, the innocent boy, because he don't have any lawyer, any legal practitioner that can fight for him. That's why
he willingly gave the shirt because he knows they will collect it from him.
That is not willingly. Shirt you to be with the person when if Ronaldo should wear that shirt, oh my God, maybe
they will soon start the Serie A now.
Anybody that knows Ronaldo should go. Oh, but what t-shirt here? Oh, don't wear that.
It's not a t-shirt, it's a jersey.
They don't know the new jersey.
When Neymar went to PSG, did they not give him the jersey, the number 10? Pastore gave him the number 10.
When Pastor gave him the number 10, which was the pastor?
The pastor. Pastore. He has left PSG now.
If you want to touch a pastor, they say Pastore. It's the same thing. Which pastor gave it to him? Even if the pastor give Neymar jersey, Do they tell you what happened to Neymar after he wore that jersey?
Nothing happened to him.
Neymar when
He only had injury during the middle of the season.
That's it. And I got the jersey Mamuwa nìyẹn.
So you are saying Ronaldo will have injury?
Wàá máa ní problem káàkiri ni. If I tell that Neymar tell me Bola work out for 2 weeks, will you believe me?
You will have problem. You don't even.
Let me tell you, because you do not understand all these things, all the behind the camera something. When you go to another club to go and collect their t-shirt because you are thinking you're a superstar.
It's seniority. You have paid your due.
Don't let seniority put you in hospital.
I paid my due.
Hey, I paid in full. You end in jail. You end in Babalawo house. End in hospital. See, which one is not attack you?
That's how far we go on the show. Better let continue next time. God bless you.
Thank you.